Exporting and importing objects in GeneXus is useful in various scenarios, such as easily exchanging objects with other developers, moving your project between different computers, or backing up the knowledge base or specific objects to reuse them in different projects. In general, to manage the same project with change control, etc., we have GeneXus Server, which covers all these features and more. However, in some cases, we need something simpler like copying a few objects from one place to another. That's when exporting and importing becomes necessary. To export objects from a knowledge base, we must follow these steps. We go to the Knowledge Manager menu and select Export. Next, we choose the name of the file to export. By default, it will be the name of the KB. From either of these options, we can manually add what we need to export to our KB, applying different filters in the search. When we select the desired objects, if they are related to others, those will also be included in the export. For example, if we choose transactions, it will automatically include the attributes of those transactions, the domains created for those attributes, and the tables generated from those transactions. We can keep them selected or clear them if we don't want to export them. The other option is to select Export All, to export everything created and generated in the KB. By clicking on the Export button, we will be prompted to choose the location where the exported file will be saved. The file will have the .xpz extension, which is the standard format used by GeneXus for this type of file. Now let's suppose we already have a file with .xpz extension containing exported objects, and we want to import them into an existing or newly created knowledge base. The process is just as simple. We go to the Knowledge Manager menu and select Import. Then we browse for and select the .xpz file. GeneXus will display all the objects contained in the file. By default, all of them will be selected for import, but we can clear any we don't want to include. We click on Import to complete the process. GeneXus will report whether any errors or warnings occurred or if the import was successful. Once the process is complete, we'll see all the imported objects and their statuses on the right side of the screen. On the left side, we'll see that the KB Explorer has been updated.